Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake, updated. Preheat oil to 375 degrees F and prepare a batter with flour, sugar, baking powder, eggs, milk, and vanilla. Use a funnel or squeeze bottle to drizzle batter in a spiral into hot oil. Fry until golden, about 90 seconds per side, then drain on paper towels. Dust with powdered sugar and serve warm with toppings like fruit. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, and vanilla until smooth but slightly thick for a lashier texture. Rest batter 10 minutes to hydrate flour and reduce air bubbles. If batter is too thin, add 1 tablespoon flour. If too thick, add a splash of milk. Strain batter through a sieve for smoother flow if drizzling through a funnel or bottle. Work in batches to avoid overcrowding. Serve funnel cake hot with classic powdered sugar, or get creative with fruit compotes, caramel, chocolate sauce, or flavored whipped cream. For a festival twist, top with ice cream and sprinkles, or fold in cinnamon sugar for extra warmth. Make mini funnel cakes for parties using a smaller nozzle. Offer citrus-zested sugar for brightness and a pinch of sea salt to contrast sweetness. Pair with coffee or a cold milkshake for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.